Lean Library's integration with LibGuides means that your library can guide patrons when and where they need you. Remember, you'll need to create a resource before completing any of the following steps. First, set up your LibGuide integration. Go to Onboarding, then Integrations and choose Add New. Add your site ID and key. If you're not sure how to get hold of these, our knowledge base goes through the process in detail. Once your integration is set up, click the Import option beside it. This will open the Ingest menu, where you can import and enable the LibGuides you want to display with Lean Library. Find the relevant LibGuide and check the boxes on either side. You'll now be prompted to associate your LibGuide with a resource. Choose your resource and hit Save, then Import to here. Your setup is now complete, but should you wish to edit it, you can visit the Setup option under Onboarding.